वालेकुम एंड गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरा नाम है ज़ारा पीरज़ादा। आज है जी हम की 20 साल की एनिवर्सरी, 20 years of magic। Tonight is such an exciting night because we are celebrating 2 decades of excellence, passion, storytelling that has redefined Pakistani television. Tonight, everybody is excited, the stars are shining bright, and we will be bringing you live updates from the red carpet. 20 सालों में हमने आपको किस तरह सपोर्ट किया एज टैलेंट इन पाकिस्तान?
Well, first of all, heartiest congratulations to Hum TV. Hum TV की वो होस्ट हूँ जिसने लाइव Hum TV की ट्रांसमिशन शुरू की थी।
I started my career with Hum TV as an actor 14 years ago, and they're such lovely people to work with, such homely people. Mominat Raid was my first point of contact, the producer, Zuraid Qureshi, then Sultana Siddiqui, wonderful people. And 20 saal se they're doing this wonderful job.
Any words for Hum on their 20th anniversary?
A very, very big, heartfelt congratulations to all of Hum, and they're like a family to me. I absolutely love being on set.
Anything you'd like to say to Hum?
I was grateful that I started and with Hum TV, and honestly, all my love to them.
How has your experience been working with productions that have come out of Hum?
What I've experienced in my experiences, they make you feel like a family.
Hum that inspire you up?
I think it's a very safe space for new actors to come in and start their careers. I think most of our established actors today have started their careers through Hum TV.
20 साल से Hum TV ने लोगों के ज़हनों को जो है वो जगमगाया हुआ है, और देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है। बहुत सारे सितारे यहाँ पे नज़र आ रहे हैं।
Hum TV on their 20th anniversary.
Hum TV is our TV, and I wish them all the best. This is just the beginning. You'll see many 20s coming Hum way.
आज जो मौका है उस पर ये कहूँगी, हम टीवी इस चीज़ को आगे लेकर जिस तरह चल रहा है, सोसाइटी के इश्यूज को बैलेंस करने के लिए, पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट लेने के लिए और एफर्ट कर रहा है, जो बहुत काबिल तारीफ है।
Special you like to say on their 20th anniversary?
Actually, Zara, what's really special is 20 years ago, I starred with her sister, Mashal Pirzada, who directed the first thing that I was ever a part of for Hum, which was almost 20 years ago.
Any words for Hum TV on their 20th anniversary?
20 साल में तो देखें लाइसेंस भी मिल जाता है और आईडी कार्ड भी बन जाता है। Hum TV तो ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत पहले कर चुका है। Hum TV बहुत आगे निकल चुका है और मेरी सारी दुआएं Hum TV के साथ हैं।
What keeps you going? आपकी इंस्पिरेशन क्या है?
आई थिंक हमारे व्यूअर्स जब वो सराहते हैं हमारे काम को, और जो है जब हमारे प्लेज हर घर में रजिस्टर होते हैं, मतलब उनकी ज़िंदगियों का हिस्सा बनते हैं, आई थिंक इससे बड़ी अचीवमेंट कोई हो नहीं सकती है।
Young actors, older directors, from writers, आपने इतने लोगों को मौका दिया, इंस्पायर किया, सपोर्ट किया, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
मैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी जिन्होंने मुझे दुआएं दी, हमारे प्रोग्राम्स को सराहा। मैं सारे जो हमारे नाजरीन हैं जो देखते हैं उनको, और जो आज के लोग आए हैं उन सब का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ।
What would you like to say on your 20th anniversary?
Well, it's not our 20th anniversary, but Hum TV's 20th anniversary. It's lovely to be here and celebrating this moment. A lot of people have worked hard to make Hum where Hum is today. Looks like just yesterday, Momna. What would you like to say about it?
I can only say that Allah has been very, very kind to us, and specifically a big thank you and shout out to the audiences who made us what we are today.
ऐसा role है that you feel challenged you the most?
Well, you know what? The one that's coming up is the one that is challenging me the most. I feel like I've taken a dive in the deep end.
जब एक औरत कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या चैनल या कोई कॉन्ग्लोमरेट लीड करती है, लीडरशिप क्वालिटी या स्टाइल या नफासत में आपको क्या फ़र्क नज़र आता है?
क्योंकि औरतें मल्टीटास्कर्स होती हैं, सो वो मल्टीटास्किंग में दे एक्सेल, एंड दैट्स हाउ दे कैन लुक अराउंड एंड रियली फील के किस किस मसले को किस किस वक्त कैसे टैकल कर देना है।
20th anniversary.
भाई बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जिए हजारों साल, 200 साल और
आपने कुछ दिल ने कहा जो वो किया था, वो एक्सपीरियंस एक बड़ा ही कमाल था।
बस कुछ दिल ने कहा। अभी जब मैं लिख रही थी तो नूरदा शाह भी थी और सुल्ताना भी थी और हम सब मिलके डेवलप करते थे कहानी। फिर उसकी ज़ाहिर है हर चीज़ में जिस तरह से हम टीम की तरह इन्वॉल्व होते थे, सो एक बड़ा अच्छा माशाल्लाह सफ़र रहा।
How was your connection? Have you had any working experience? And then any good wishes you want to just say for him?
Families coming together, being together, sticking together and starting ventures like this together, and so proud to see this.
Do you think television का काम social change लाना होना चाहिए या सिर्फ entertainment? क्योंकि you know you're all about it.
I feel entertainment without a message is wasted. क्योंकि आप लोगों की आपके पास attention है, they're listening to you, they're watching you, तो might as well use that opportunity to spread good message. Message के बगैर नहीं होना चाहिए.
Tonight you are performing for Hum's 20th anniversary. What should we expect?
It's a fun performance. It's a performance, it feels like you're celebrating your own home. You're celebrating a family you've been part of for so long. So inshallah, I'm performing with a very special friend of mine.
You are performing tonight as well, and you have given us so many iconic soundtracks over the years. Any favorites?
It's all been like such a beautiful journey with Hum for so many years. But yes, of course, the one that I've gotten the most love for has been Diyar Dil, and that still is a very, very special one.
How do you feel Hum TV has supported you and pushed boundaries? Any favorite roles you can mention?
Well, there are tons of favorite roles which I've watched others perform, and I think everyone's done a phenomenal job. What a journey, 20 years of magic and counting, inshallah. And it's just been phenomenal how they've contributed to the entire global industry and representing Pakistan in the best possible way.
Tell me, as a young actor, is there a specific drama or role that's inspired you or is close to your heart in any way?
So Dobara was a drama that I did with Hum TV, and it's very close to my heart, as well as Yaqeen Ka Safar.
So tell me, from somebody being outside of the country as an international audience member, what do you have to say about our Pakistani drama industry and what you think Hum is contributing to it?
Well, I believe that Hum Network is a really huge and a very inspiring organization. I mean, it has gone such a great journey, such a big history, and I believe it is really contributing to the entertainment industry of Pakistan. And I actually was talking to some Pakistani people.
मुझे बताएं कि अगर आपने कोई remake करना हो, one of the classic dramas, which one would you like to remake?
इससे मुझे दिखाया एक ड्रामा हम टीवी का दास्तान, जिसको देखकर मुझे एक्टिंग का शौक हुआ. So I would love to recreate it.
We are celebrating 2 decades of Hum. Anything you'd like to say?
I would say congratulations to the entire team of Hum TV, to all the people who've been there from the beginning, and I was there too for a couple of years as well.
What has Hum TV meant to you as a young actor in the field?
It meant everything to me because it is one of the platforms that launched me, and I'm still working with them, and I've worked with them for the past 3 years now. So Hum TV is pretty much like family at this point.
They've come a long way. They're managing teams, they're leading, and they're running their own brands and social media platforms.
I think जिसने भी Hum TV के साथ शुरुआत की है या काम किया है, मैंने definitely अपने करियर का आगाज़ किया था Hum TV से. उनको एक अपनायत और एक अपने घर जैसा महसूस होता है.
हम टीवी जो है ना, जो लोग साथ काम करते हैं उनको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए अवार्ड शोज बड़े ज़बरदस्त कराते हैं. सो ये एक यूनिक चीज़ है.
It's because of Hum that a lot of people are who they are today.
असीरजादी, सदके तुम्हारे, उडारी, आंगन, सुपरस्टार.
Actually, Hum decided that I was an actor because I was an anchor and I didn't think I would be ever an actor.
ढेर सारी मुबारकबाद दूंगी सुल्ताना आपा को, दुरैत को, मोमना को, मेमुना को, सबको.
Interestingly, 20 years ago, जब हम TV का advent हुआ था, so there were a couple of plays that came.
जिसमें से एक मेरा प्ले था विद इमरान अब्बास कॉल्ड लव मैरिज. इट वाज सो मच फन. इट वाज अ लाइट मूड प्ले एंड आई थिंक लाइट मूड प्लेस की जो है वो डिमांड हो गई. अभी आप कर रही हैं. यू विल बी सीइंग ज़ारा इन अ फैंटास्टिक कैरेक्टर ऑन हम टीवी.
हम टीवी के ड्रामा के बारे में ये बहुत ज़्यादा कहा जाता है कि इट हैज़ स्पार्क द सोशल चेंज और सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट ही उनका पर्पस नहीं है बट कहीं ना कहीं कोई जहन में थॉट डाल देते हैं. वुड यू एग्री विद दैट?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, क्योंकि दे टच ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज दैट नो अदर network usually does, and they always are bold enough to talk about some of the most uncomfortable conversations that happen in this country, and I think it's very important for a network to take on that challenge, and Hum Network has been doing it for a very long time.